Ever stare blankly at an ATM, wondering how much cash you can pull out? Yeah, us too. Especially when it comes to Capital One ATMs. They're everywhere, convenient, but those withdrawal limits can be a mystery. Fear not, fellow cash crusaders. Today, we're cracking the code on Capital One ATM withdrawals and making sure you get the exact amount you need when you need it. Now, before we dive in, there are a few key things to remember. Capital One has its own set of limits, but your account type also plays a big role. So, we'll explore both to give you the full picture. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Capital One generally imposes a daily limit of $5,000 on total card transactions. This includes ATM withdrawals, debit card purchases, and even cash advances. So, if you go on a $2,000 shopping spree, that leaves you with $3,000 for ATM withdrawals that day. But wait, there's more. Here's where your account type comes in. Capital One offers a variety of checking accounts, each with its own potential ATM withdrawal limits. Capital One 360 Checking. This popular account boasts a daily withdrawal limit of $5,000 at Capital One, MoneyPass, and Allpoint ATMs. That aligns with the overall card limit, so you've got some flexibility. Keep in mind, this applies to combined withdrawals, not each individual transaction. Capital One Quicksilver Checking. This account caters to those who prefer simplicity. It also has a daily withdrawal limit of $5,000 at Capital One, MoneyPass, and Allpoint ATMs. Again, this falls in line with the general card limit. Capital One Spark Business Checking. If you're a business owner on the go, this account might be your pick. Here, the daily withdrawal limit dips to $3,000 at Capital One ATMs and $1,000 at non-Capital One ATMs. Capital One Cafe Checking. This account is designed for students and young adults. It comes with a daily withdrawal limit of $300 at Capital One ATMs and $100 at non-Capital One ATMs. Important side note, these are the general limits, but Capital One can adjust them based on your individual account and risk profile. So, it's always a good idea to check your online banking or contact Capital One directly to confirm your specific limits. Beyond daily limits, there's more to consider. Capital One also has some additional limitations to be aware of. For instance, some accounts might have a set maximum withdrawal amount per transaction. This could be anything from $200 to $500, depending on your account and ATM network. Another factor to consider is available funds. Capital One won't let you withdraw more than what's in your account, daily limits aside. So, make sure you have enough cash to cover your withdrawal before heading to the ATM. Pro tip, be wary of out-of-network ATM fees. While Capital One offers a vast network of fee-free ATMs through Capital One, MoneyPass, and Allpoint locations, using an out-of-network ATM can come with a hefty fee. This fee can be charged by both Capital One and the ATM owner, so it can add up quickly. To avoid unnecessary charges, try to locate a Capital One, MoneyPass, or Allpoint ATM before you head out. There are even handy ATM locator apps you can download to find the closest fee-free option. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. Knowing your account's withdrawal limits and avoiding out-of-network ATM fees can save you time, money, and frustration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.